Hello friend, welcome to your channel. How to know? Today I'm going to tell about the new startup offering for the name is token is ASTR Astar, and announcement is here for free distribution of 8 lakh ASTR free of charge. So let's start how you can earn it, and how can you participate in startups. So let's begin. First of all, you have to log in your Gate.io account by clicking on the login symbol. After login, you need to negotiate towards more, or you can click on the giveaway, or you can see here a startup is given. So just you have to click on the more button. After clicking, you can see here multiple events are going on, like Git.io spot user who conduct their first future trading event has ended and reward has been distributed to winners. So if you are already participated in this event, then you can check your name in the winner list. Okay, and also one more activity has ended right now, so you can also check your winning in the list. So let's start. Today I'm going to tell you about the A star listing on the gate.io. So just I have to click here, a page will be open. Let's see what is it. First of all, you can see about the Gate.io start a free airdrop program in order to reward platform users. Gate.io already started multiple programs to reward its user itself, and multiple users are getting many rewards, even including me. I am also getting rewards by these events, and you can also get by sign up on the Gate.io and participation in these events. You can get the more rewards and airdrops. Please, so hurry up and get sign up. Link is given in the description section. Okay, so let's read further. Gate.io launched the startup project free airdrop program. Okay, and free airdrop blocks and excellent project are launched in the startup area from the time to time. VIP and GT user can get variety of token airdrop benefit. So one more thing, to participate in these events you must be a VIP user or GT user. It means you have to hold on minimum 100 GT for 14 days to be a VIP one member. Okay, this is very easy. Just you have to buy GT token and you have to hold for 14 days itself. Then you will be VIP. Okay, so let's read up further. This A star startup subscription is a free subscription and will not be deduct the user participation fund in the end of the event. So if you are want to participate, just you have to click on this link. Startup link is also given in the description section, and you can directly join by this link. Okay, so let's see what is A star. A star is a dApp hub on Polkadot. You know, it is a dApp hub on Polkadot, and that support Ethereum Virtual Machine. It is very good. Okay, according to me, this seems a good token, which is going to list on the Gate.io, and WebAssembly Smart Contracts and Layer 2 solution like ZK Rollups, like smart contract and layer 2 solution like ZK Rollups and ASTR aim to be a multi-chain smart contract platform that will support multiple blockchain and virtual machine. Shiden Network is sister network of ASTAR Network and dApp hub on Kusama. So, reading about the introduction of the ASTR, it seems it is very good token to buy, but please read out all the risk and please analyze all risk, then invest in the this token. So it doesn't mean I'm telling you that is very good token and you must buy. No, you have to create your own perceptions and you have to take it on your own risk. Okay, so According to me, this is a it seems good token on the Gate.io about to going to list. So let's read out further. Token information. Token name is A star and symbol is ASTR. Maximum supply you can see here. Then the type of token is native and contract it is based on Polkadot. Okay, and token distribution ratio and unlocking rule. What is it? User and early support of 30%. Thousand day lock draw participants have 7 month linear vesting with the 10% initial allocation, and other participants have 15 months vesting with the 10% initial allocation offering at the launch. Okay, will get 10% after launch. So it seems very like a productive token I can say. And the purchase auction revenue 5% fund to be used for the parachain lease offering. Protocol development is 10% fund to be used for the protocol developments and the grant program TBA. On-chain DOA fund chain and treaty that our community decide how to use it. So let's see for the website is given here. I would like to take you all on this website. So first of all, I will click on this, and here you can see A star. Its symbol is showing here, and multi-chain Polkadot dApp hub, formerly known as Plasma Network. Earlier, it was known as Plasma Network, and it is now coming with a new symbol and new name. Its name is A star. So if you want to read about the network, then you can go here and find out the detail complete. So let's move on further. What is work building the premier multi-chain smart contracts of supporting like DeFi, NFT, and DOA support. This is a platform, and this is all the heart of the multi-chain feature. This platform has having multiple chain feature also available here, and it is supporting currently Ethereum and Cosmos. Okay, and much more are coming in the picture, and we need to wait for the new features on the A star. So let's read the in the press. It is in chain news and Cointelegraph, Forbes, and TechCrunch, the blog, Binance Lab, Hypersphere, and much more backers. And ALT autonomy and digital strategies, like much more the news are covering the A star news. Okay, so it is going to be a best and big token future. So just read it out, and you can take it. But let's read the supporter. Microsoft for the startup is also supporting the A star, and Substrat Builder program. SBP is also supporting, and Web3 Foundation Grant Program is also supporting the A star, and Barclays blockchain also supporting the A star. So it is seems good for the future and buy. So if you want to read about the white paper, then also click on this link, and it though both links are given in the description section, and simply you have to click on the links, and page will be open and you can read out. Okay, so here the white paper is open already, and you can see and you can download also. So I think we don't have much time to read it out. So if you want to read completely, the link is given in the description section, from where you can check it out all the detail on the online. Okay, so let's come again on the this page. What is saying A star startup sale? It is being start from the 16th of January. It means today from the 10 a.m. just about 1 minute ago, and it will end 17th of January. Order placed by the qualification user within the 24 hours will be treated as qualified. Okay, treated as qualified. Trading started time is 13 and hours on 17th of January. Trading will start. It means it will be listed on the 17th, and it will start trading from that day. And price will be 0 USDT initial for the $0.25, and startup supply is 8 lakh ASTR, and user purchase using USDT. Well, then you can see a rule as for it is same for all the listing like token. VIP2 user will get to 2 into 2 into 10 40 share, and VIP3 user will get 90 share of this. So if you are having more ranking in the VIP, you will get more share. You can buy more share. So increase your VIP by completing activities given on the gate.io, and you can be a VIP member and the top of the VIP member. So let's see what is the what it is saying. Get.io lab private sale participant disclosure. So attention to be paid here. Like some country has now supported list is given here. Also, you can read out on the website and by clicking on the link given in the description section. And risk warning is also given here. Then you can read it out. So I'd like to cover it in this video. The project team does not guarantee that token price will not be lower than it is startup. Okay, it means that it can be lower after the starting opt after the listing. Okay, so please invest with caution. If it is going lower or if it is going upper, then you have to take care of it. Okay, so the startup project is still in initial stage factor, including the operation, underlying technology, and the project and other related activity might be contribute for the significant risk. Okay, advanced technical and financial knowledge is required for the understand and evaluate the inherent risk of crypto asset investment. The market volatile is high, and the price of a token might fluctuate distractly due to technical and regulatory making factors. So let's see what is the requirement to for the participant in this. First of all, you need to get registered on the gate.io, and sign up link is also given in the description section. You can directly get sign up from that link and you will get 10% off on every trade and 40% off from the each of referral. So after login, complete user identification means you have to complete KYC. After completing, just you have to deposit some certain cryptocurrency to Gate.io and sign the purchase agreement on startup before placing order. And all the procedure, just you have to click on the link and all procedure will be asked one by one, step by step. Just you have to follow all the steps and you will get register on the listing of the ASTR. Okay, then next we will see Gate will open the automated maker and a strategy also same rule for the all listing, and you can find in each and every listing. So read it out, and links are given in the description section. And please do like subscribe my channel for the more video. If any comment, then please comment, and if any suggestion, then please comment it out, and we will do it as per your requirement. Okay, so thanks for watching video.